How to create Roblox games on mobile. In order to create games on Roblox mobile, head over to your browser first. And on your browser, you're just going to head over to roblox.com. And once you have done that, you just need to make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you will see different tabs on top of your screen like Charts, Marketplace, Create, and Robux. You need to tap on the Create option. Then you'll get to the Creative Studio in Roblox, where you have an option to create games. So you can either download Roblox Studio for this, or you could just get started. So once you have done that, you could choose any games that you want to create. So for this, you first need to turn on the desktop site. Tap on the three lines at the top right, and then enable desktop site. And once you have done that, you should be able to create new games on Roblox. So as you can see here on Creator Hub, you can find different kind of videos and creators. So here I have already created an experience. So click on experiences. And from here, you can see your previous experiences or something that's shared with you. You could also see your shared links, avatar items, and development items. So go ahead and click on creations and tap on the creation that you want to make games in. Now, once you have done that, you could see all of the analytics of your creations. And after that is done, you could also invite users to play from here by clicking on this copy link option right here. And you could also get users to the fun quickly, make regular updates on your game. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create games on Roblox Mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.